Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're signed into the exact Microsoft account that owns Game Pass. This prevents license conflicts. Next, check your network. Wired is best, otherwise 5 GHz Wi-Fi or at least 100 Mbps helps. Once done, power cycle the Xbox and your router, hold power 10 seconds, unplug modem for 30 seconds, because cached credentials and stale connections are the most common blockers. Now you dig into services and storage. Clear the cache by uninstalling temporary or corrupted installs. Free at least 5 to 10 GB so updates can apply. Then run settings right arrow network, right arrow test network to force a resync of services. Use troubleshooting prompts it offers. If titles still fail, go to subscriptions, refresh your membership status, and force an offline sync by signing out and back in. That reapplies licenses and often restores access. Finish by fully reinstalling. Uninstall the Xbox Game Pass app and any failing games, then reinstall clean. Make sure the console OS is updated. Apply pending system patches because compatibility issues block streaming and downloads. Once reinstalled, test with another profile on the same console to isolate account versus hardware problems. If errors persist, write down the exact error code, reset network settings as a last resort, and contact support only after you've collected those details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.